Hi, I'm Sarah Neugebauer at the Stemgent laboratory in Boston. Today we will show you a procedure for maintaining self-renewal of mouse embryonic stem cells in the presence of the small molecule SC1. Mouse embryonic stem cells are normally cultured in the presence of leukemia inhibitory factor to maintain self-renewal. LIF, however, is expensive, so here we will provide an economical alternative, the small molecule SC1. In the last part of the video, we will be showing you a comparison of pluripotency marker expression between cells cultured in LIF and those cultured in SC1. So let's get started.
One day before culturing the embryonic stem cells, thaw a vial of irradiated feeder cells. Plate the feeder cells at a density of 10,000 cells per well in a 12-well plate. Incubate the cells overnight at 37 degrees Celsius with 5% carbon dioxide. The next day, plate the ES cells on the MEF feeder layer.